Hello, my name is Jammir Gray. I'm the executive chef of Compline in Napa Valley. Compline is a farm-to-table restaurant. We source about 80% of all of our produce and meats right here in California. Serving lamb on the menu is a really natural fit here in Napa Valley because it pairs really well with Napa Valley wines, and the grazing sheep are actually used in many of the vineyard's sustainable management practices. I'm going to show you how to make smoked American leg of lamb with Toum, extra virgin olive oil flatbread, and an herb fennel salad. Now this dish can be prepared using bone-in or boneless lamb leg. In this case, I'm using a shortcut American lamb bone-in leg. I start by making a rub for the leg of lamb with salt, pepper, sumac, and garlic. Rub the mixture all over the lamb leg. Then you're going to put your leg of lamb into the smoker at 250 degrees for 3 to 4 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches about 145 degrees. Make sure that you allow your leg of lamb to rest before slicing. I'm serving the smoked lamb with Toum, which is a delicious Lebanese garlic sauce. In a blender, add garlic, lemon juice, salt, and warm cooked potatoes. Blend until smooth and creamy. Add in grapeseed oil until it's emulsified. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit of the warm reserved potato water to achieve the desired consistency. Refrigerate until needed. I'm serving my smoked lamb on these warm flatbread. Top with a few slices of the sumac smoked leg of lamb, a drizzle of the Toum, and then top off with a herb fennel salad. This leg of lamb is a great shareable summer dish. The smokiness of the leg of lamb pairs well with the garlicky Toum and herbaceous salad. This is a great interactive meal to have with friends.